How to remove a Google account from your Gmail app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove a Google account from your Gmail app on your Android device. In order to do so, first of all, you will need to open your Gmail application on your Android device, and here you will need to ensure that you are logged into your account. Once logged in, tap on your profile picture or the initial in the top right corner of your screen. By doing so, you'll be able to see this pop-up. Here you'll need to scroll down, and at the very bottom, you'll be able to locate the option Manage Account on this device. Simply tap on this option and now you'll be taken to this page. Here now tap on the Google account you wish to remove. Once you tap on it, inside it, here you'll be able to locate the option Remove Account. Now tap on Remove Account and confirm it by tapping on Remove Account option at the bottom right again. Now you will need to verify yourself to finalize the removal. After that, you will see you have successfully removed Google account from your Gmail app on your Android device. Also, removing the account from the Gmail app will also sign you out of other Google services on that device, such as Google Maps and YouTube. This action doesn't delete your Google account. It simply removes it from your device, and you can still access it from other devices or through a web browser. So by following these steps, you can successfully remove a Google account from the Gmail app on your Android device. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.